Learn how to draw cartoons in 5 easy steps. Each step-by-step is presented in a soothing manner to enjoy the process. Welcome to a new way of creating art for kids. A relaxing journey to explore their creativity in a calm, soothing environment. In this video, we will be drawing a cute octopus in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Draw 9 equal squares to use as guidelines for your drawing. I generally use a colored pencil to be able to see the lines from my drawing. Have your parents help you if needed. Step 2 is sketching your picture. There is no need to be accurate, just follow along and try to keep your lines as similar as possible as drawn in the squares of each guideline. You can smooth out your lines and make corrections in step 3. Slow the speed of the video or stop it if needed to help you draw, using the YouTube control buttons in the lower right corner below the video. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss the suggestions and tips pointed out during the drawing. Notice how my lines are not smooth. In step 3, when a magic marker is used to go over the pencil lines, you will see a difference in smoothness. At times, corrections are made to the pencil lines with the magic marker so that in step 4, you can erase the incorrect pencil lines. This is an example of an error to be corrected later. The line is drawn over too far. Here is another error. It should have been more curved. Don't stop drawing to correct it. It will be corrected later. The suction cups are being drawn a little faster, but don't worry. They don't need to be drawn exactly as seen. Step 3 is where you take a magic marker that is wider than your pencil lines and just draw over each pencil line. You will notice the marker line covering the pencil line and looking smoother, giving a more finished appearance. As you can see in the circle, you have the chance to correct where you wanted the line to actually go, as compared to where it was originally drawn with the pencil. Here is another spot where the original line is bypassed and drawn as desired. Step 4 is where you erase all the pencil lines, including the grid lines. Notice where the mistakes were once made are now corrected in the final picture. You do not need to be careful because magic marker lines will not erase. In step 5, you color the picture the way you like it. Here it is shown in pink only because it is a cartoon and is what has been selected. Use pencils, crayons, markers, paints, or anything else to color your picture. Have a wonderful experience in learning how to draw. Hope to see you return as this new year starts a new adventure in drawing.